You use this to fix everything. Your bumper, your pipes, maybe even a shoe. But in 1943, this wasn't called duct tape. It was called duct tape. And it was invented to solve a deadly problem where seconds meant the difference between life and death. Imagine you're under fire. You need bullets now. But your ammo comes in a wooden crate sealed with wax and paper to keep it waterproof. To open it, you have to rip a tiny paper tab. If that tab breaks, you're stuck trying to pry a crate open while bullets fly. Enter Vesta Stoudt. She wasn't a general or a scientist. She was a mom from Illinois, working in an ordnance factory. She saw the flaw. She knew her sons were in the Navy, and this wax paper seal terrified her. She told her bosses to fix it. They ignored her. So she did something crazy. She wrote a letter directly to President Franklin D. Roosevelt. She said, "I have 2 sons out there, looking into the future. I can see them, unable to open the box." And FDR actually read it. FDR sent the letter to the War Production Board. They called Johnson & Johnson, the company. They needed a tape that was strong, waterproof, but could be ripped by hand. They used a fabric called cotton duck and coated it with a waterproof adhesive. The result? Army green waterproof tape. It was a game changer. Soldiers used it for everything, fixing jeeps, patching boots, and yes, sealing ammo cans. It became the most versatile tool of the war. The war ended. The troops came home. And suddenly, America was building houses like crazy. Contractors realized this surplus military tape was perfect for sealing heating ducts. The color changed from army green to silver to match the metal. Here's the irony. The government spent pennies developing this based on a mom's letter. Today, the adhesive tape market is worth over $60 billion globally. War paid for the invention. Peace reaped the profit. So next time you fix a leaky pipe, remember, you're using a weapon of war designed to save a soldier's life. War made this. Subscribe for more declassified history.